Like, it was $3, but okay. Like,
10 second to 10.
hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lota. If you are new, as you guys can see by the title, I'm going to be talking about my AirPods. So let's just get right into the video. So obviously, like, everybody knows what AirPods are. They're basically like wireless headphones. This is what they look like, you know, the little AirPod box. But for me, I got the AirPods too. Like, hold up, let me take my case off. So this is what the case looks like, you know, a little white pill-shaped case. Not really a pill, but like kind of a pill. Yes, no. It says my name on it because, like I said, it is AirPods 2. I really hope you guys can see this in the lighting, because I film on my phone, so like there is no viewfinder for me, so I'm really trying, guys. But yeah, it says my name on it. Has a little button on the back that you connect to your phone, little charger port here, and then this is just what it looks like. Kind of like push it like that, and that's how I get it out. But yeah, I mean, I like them. I'm just the type, like, sometimes they'll fall out of my ear, like if I'm like lying down on my bed or something. So like if I'm in like super public places and I want to listen to music, but like I'm not sure if I can just easily like go grab it or something, I'll just use my wired headphones, because I think like my ears, I feel like they're smaller, because most of the people that I know that have AirPods, it doesn't fall out of their ear. But for me, like, it always kind of falls out when I'm like lying down, or like if my head turns to one side. But I mean, that's in general, like that happens to me with like wired headphones, so I'm not sure if it's just a me thing or if it's like something's wrong. I don't know. But yeah, they work pretty well, you know, they last a long time, and then it takes like 5 seconds to charge, which is actually really cool. I got this rose gold case. All my cases have like some type of like keychain or like clip. So I got this little rose gold metallic case, $9 from Amazon. I'll link everything in the description if I can, because some of the stuff I got from like AliExpress, so like, you know, it's probably not gonna be on there anymore. It might not, I don't know. This is what it looks like. And I like to carry my AirPods by the clip, because I'm the type, like, I like to put lotion on if my hands are ashy or stuff like that. So my hands are sometimes kind of greasy, so like I don't want it just falling out of my hand like if I'm holding it in the hallway. Because, like, no one wants to sit there every 5 seconds bending down to go pick up your little AirPods. Like, come on now. So I like to carry it by the clip. That's why I made sure I got all mine to a clip. Got all of mine with clips. But yeah, it doesn't like have a little circle cut out for the little thing in the back, but like it's okay. Like, it's what it looks like, you know. And then a way I take them off is I'll take my charger. Actually, let me take this off first. So you just pop the top off on the back, and then I'll take my charger and like push the case down, and like holding the charger thing to kind of slide it down, and then just pop it off. So that was that case. Y'all are probably gonna think I'm extra for this. Like, y'all probably gonna think I'm extra for this, but like, I love having little accessories for my devices and stuff, like my phone too. So it's whatever. Like, it's whatever. And most of these were pretty cheap. It's only like this was the most expensive one. My second case, which is what I'm currently using right now, is this gold case. It actually came with a few more accessories on the keychain, but they kind of just broke off or like ripped off, so they're gone. But just slide it in, as you do with all the cases. Pop the top on like this. This one looks like this. And I've literally brought this to school like the whole time since we've been back at school, and like everyone's always like, oh, like, I like your case, or like, can I have it, where'd you get it from? Oh, it was fancy. I'm just like, oh, okay, like, it was $3, but okay, like but yeah, this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like in the back. This is what the third case looks like. It's really extra, I know. This was, I think, like $3-4. It's obviously knockoff Louis Vuitton, because I don't think Louis Vuitton even makes AirPod cases. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if they did, to be honest. But it has like a cute little teddy bear, like with a little gold coin on it, and then a small version of it, and then this thing. And luckily for me, none of these little accessories fell off of this, so I'm not missing anything. I just think it's super cute. Like, I love carrying it like this. And I like how this case has like a little cover for the charger port. That way no dust can really get inside of it, because You know, like you don't want that inside your charger port. Might mess it up, might block it, you know. I'm not trying to do all of that. So, and then this is what it looks like when you open it up, just to show you guys like that, how thin it is. But I mean, I'm okay with it being thin, just as long as there is a case around my AirPod case, because I've seen some of my friends' AirPod cases and they're scratched up, they have bite marks in them from like their pets, or they're just like dirty, and I'm just like, I don't want, like, I like taking care of my stuff, so I'm not trying to just let it be free. And like, I know people probably think I'm extra for getting, first of all, a case in general, but like multiple cases. But sis, like, let me do me, you do you, thanks, goodbye, like, it's over, like, they're mine. Okay. Nobody even checked me. I don't even know who I'm talking to right now, but I know some of my friends are like, oh, you're so extra. By the way, most of them, like, except for that very first rose gold one I showed you guys, the rest of them came in like a little plastic bag like this. So I kind of just store them in here and like put them in my little technology drawer. Anyways, but we finna look at the last case. This one's probably the most extra, just because it has so many like little pieces. Now this case, I'm not gonna lie, everything I got, I told you, was cheap except for that very first case. So this one does not exactly fit my whole AirPod case, but like it's close enough for me to not leave a complaint. But this is what it looks like, so I'm gonna just show y'all part of it. Hold up. So this is, I ordered these things separately. So I ordered this case, it was like $2, maybe like $2.50 or something, or like $2.19. And like this one's a thicker silicone than the last one. Like you guys can literally see how it is much thicker than the black one, which I like. It also comes with like a little, what's it called, charger port protector, which I really like. As I said, this is what I really liked it for, because bro, this is so cute. It's so cute. Like this thing I think was like $2.97, $1.97. It was like around $2-3, so I didn't mind. So this whole thing is probably like $5, because I don't know the exact prices, but like you guys get it. Like I said, I'm going to link everything down in the description down below. But like, bro, look at this heart. Look at the heart, and like it comes like a little bell, which is low-key annoying. I might have to take it off. But like, and it comes with like another heart and like a strawberry, and it's just like everything is red. Like this is so cute. So yeah. Also, just in case you guys were wondering how I take these off, basically I just kind of, I try to like push down on it so I can keep the actual like lid of the AirPod case down, you know what I mean, like this, the white part, and then just kind of pop that off, and then I'll go and take out the little silicone thing in the bottom, and then I'll slide the case off, for the silicone ones at least, because they're obviously all connected since silicone, you know. But yeah, but like basically that's it for my AirPod case video. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I know I'm extra, but like we already knew that, like sis, we knew that. If you guys enjoyed it, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a video. And I'll see you guys later in my next video. Bye! Just a little disclaimer. Okay. I just kind of watched some of the footage. Like I told you guys, I filmed on my phone, so like I don't have a viewfinder, but I watched some of the footage and I realized, like, I'm pretty sure the whole video I wasn't in the middle, and like that might not bother you, but like it's low-key annoying to me, because like obviously I want to be centered in my video. I'm probably just overthinking this, but you know, I apologize because